Hey guys, what's up? It's Bankej Soni, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code generator. And also, in the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code decoder using Python. Okay, so let's begin. So, the first step is to pip install all the necessary libraries, which are pip install QR code, pip install OpenCV Python. Let me just copy this code and paste in the shell. Okay, okay. Restart kernel, restart, yes. So now in the second step, we are going to import these libraries. Wait, um, yeah, import QR code, import CV2. Okay, so now in the third step, we have to make a variable containing the URL. It can be a URL to anything you want, any website, any video, etc. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the URL to my main YouTube channel. So QR code dot make inverted commas. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this URL, copy, and then paste it over here. And then I'm gonna save this. So img dot save slash user slash dot slash QR code dot jpg. What I'm doing here is I'm saving this file in my desktop. Now I'm going to execute this code. Okay, so we can see that the code has been executed successfully. So yeah, this is the QR code which we just generated. Wait, let me just scan this. Wait. We can see that the QR code is working perfectly. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to decode this QR code using Python. So now you have to perform the following steps, which I'm gonna perform now. Okay, so D equals to CV2 dot QR code detector. Okay, val point straight QR code detect and decode CV2 dot and read. Now I'm gonna put the location of that QR code over here, which is this. Okay, okay, yeah. So now the last step is to print the wrap. Okay, so we can see that the QR code was decoded successfully. So thanks for watching this video, and bye.